Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Tessie. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all, depending on where you are watching from. Hope you all are doing well, and thank you so much for stopping by. Appeal Court reserves judgment on Nnamdi Kanu's case. Like you all already know, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was taken to court today, being the 13th of September 2022, and what we have here is the update, basically everything you need to know. But please, before we continue, help us by liking this video and also sharing. That is the only way YouTube can recommend the video to more people. You don't pay money by liking a video here, so please just help us by liking and sharing the video. And moving on, it says Appeal Court reserves judgment, adjourns indefinitely. All right. The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, on Tuesday has reserved judgment on the case against the detained leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. Human rights lawyer Mike Ezekome's son, who led the delegation of legal practitioners representing the IPOB leader, urged the court to strike out the remaining charges, citing a lack of credibility. Ozekome specifically prayed the appellate court to review the April 8 ruling of the trial court, which struck out only 8 out of the 15 charges. He also insisted the charge federal government entered against him had no basis in law. Kanu, in his appeal dated April 29th and marked CA ABJ CR 625/2022, applied to the discharged and acquitted. However, following application, the embattled IPOB leader filed for the abridgment of time. The appellate court brought the matter forward for hearing as against the initial October 11 fixed for the hearing. When the matter was called upon today, a 3-man panel led by Justice Juma Hanuta said it had no need to dive into the issue of bail since the substantive appeal was ripe for hearing. Arguing the appeal claim, Ozekome alleged that his client was forcefully abducted from Kenya and illegally renditioned back to the country. He told the court that his client was first arraigned on December 23rd, 2015 and was later granted bail on April 25th, 2017. My lord, he was enjoying his bail without breaching the terms. However, he was in his ancestral home when agents of the respondent invaded his home in September 2017. When the appellant traveled from London to Kenya, agent of the respondent on June 27, 2021, forcefully abducted the appellant, tortured and renditioned him back to the country without following any extradition processes, Ozekome said. He further argued that Kenya, being the country from where Kanu was arrested and extraordinarily renditioned back to Nigeria, ought to have authorized his extradition. Meanwhile, the federal government, through its lawyer, Mr. David Casway, urged the court to dismiss the appeal for want of merit. He asserted that IPOB leader was brought back to the country by due processes of law. He urged that the charge had been amended 7 times owing to the conduct of the appellant. My lord, it took 4 years and huge resources to get the respondent arrested and brought back to face the charges against him. We are saying that the trial court was even wrong to have struck out the 8 charges as it did. It is only after the federal government has produced all its witnesses and tendered its evidence that the appellant could claim that no prima facie case was established. Finally, we urge this court to dismiss the appeal for lacking in merit. Kaswe added, after listening to both sides, the panel said it would communicate a date for the judgment. All right, my people, and that is it for you all. According to what we read for you guys, the case has been adjourned indefinitely without knowing the date of the next hearing. According to the court, the date will be communicated, but as of now, we don't know when the next hearing will be. And it is just a shame that the federal government of Nigeria is doing this thing to a man whose crime is only fighting for freedom of his people. I mean, let's be truthful to ourselves. This man has done nothing to deserve this kind of treatment he's getting from the federal government of Nigeria. At least, if not for anything, but for the fact that we have all the Boko Haram in Nigeria terrorizing the country. We have the Fulani bandits who kidnap, kill, demand for ransom, and they pay it every single day. And at the end of the day, they don't do nothing to these people. Not because they don't know where to get them. They look at them. They said it took them 4 years and huge resources. Note that word. It took them huge resources to get Mazi Nnamdi Kanu back to Nigeria, a man whose only offense is carrying flag asking for the freedom of his people. Why we have the people, the main problems we have in this country, as a matter of fact, those who are terrorizing this country, those who are killing, maiming, displacing people every single day in this country, they've not gone after them, not because they cannot go after them, but because they are benefiting from them. Now they are using every of their strength, every of their resources, fighting one man whose only aim is to get freedom for his people. So if we want to be truthful to ourselves, we can say it boldly that this man, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has done nothing to deserve this kind of ill treatment from the federal government of Nigeria. And it is just a shame that the federal government of Nigeria is treating this man this way. I mean, how can they even say that this man jumped bail? We've talked about this thing here several times. Okay, even if it is, I don't even want us to try repeating what we've said here over times again. But at the end of the day, you cannot simply say that this man jumped bail. You as a person, even the federal government, even the so-called Buhari they have in power, saying a person carry gun now, can't shoot him. You go stand, they look the person, make the person shoot him. Make the person shoot him. Even the person self passing this judgment, say they come attack him. You see me see gun, it dey make I shoot you. Say because they say make you no jump bail. Maybe because say you no one violate the law. But even the people say that, I beg, man, no talk too much. These people, they know that this man is innocent, and the only good thing they can do is just release this man, because this man, he has done nothing against them. And that is all I would just have to say. Please let them release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for peace to reign. And that is it for you all. I'm just going to leave you all to share your thoughts with me on the comment section. Please know that this is my own personal opinion. You don't have to agree with every single thing I've said here. That is why you have the comment section to share your own opinion with me. And with that, I'll say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Bye.